Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do our Christmas savings and then our annual savings. Oh, okay, that was a little dramatic. So in our Christmas savings, we are going to bring in $25 a week until we are done with this binder here. And this binder is from Norella's Budgets. It is free on her coffee shop. All right, so let's see. We're going to start with I have each page here as, excuse me, each page here this page is $1, each icon is $1, and this one is $2, and this one is $3. Set up just like Nori set hers up, so I'm going to do a whole row, so that's 3, 6, 9, $12. And then we'll go ahead and just color in the little bows. How has everybody been doing? Hopefully everybody's week is going good. We are on the home stretch of our Christmas savings, so that is very exciting. I've been putting as much as I possibly can into it. So I am very excited to be almost to our goal. And once I'm finished with this, in about 4 more weeks or 3 more weeks, we will be at our goal. And then we're going to do one whole row here. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, and this page will save us $40. I do apologize if you can hear my 3D printer, but I have a butt ton of I have a bunch of orders I gotta get out. So this one's just gonna get $3. We will be able to finish this up rather quickly. If we have if I find extra $2 somewhere, I will put that in there, but I'm sure I got it somewhere. And I have already done this binder twice. My printer was not cooperating, so it printed on both sides, but it messed it up, but I still used both sides. So we're on that is why I say we're on our home stretch, and this will save us over $600 doing it this way. And then for our Moody Unicorn Savings Challenge, we're going to save every Monday in 2026. But I wanted to get a jump start on this early because I also have a shark one that I designed that I want to do as well. Don't know if that will be feasible, but I figured if we could get some months done early, then that would be great. So I'm going to do these 3. So that is 17 plus 3 is 20 and $30. So we're going to bring in $30. And then I'll let that dry for a second. So I have my $30 here as 20, 25, and 30. So we'll go ahead and put that in the back. And then I also wanted to do our bonus section here. Last time we scratched off the 10. So I'm going to do a roll and save with a D6. Oh, and we got a 6. Perfect. So let me get that from my stash. There's 5 and 6. Perfect. So altogether, so far, we have saved in this one 100, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71. So 171 so far out of 824 plus. So our plus comes from our bonus sheet, which we have 6 scratchers, 6 roll and saves. And yeah, I know this was a quick video. All right, and that completes this. I am going to insert the footage of last week's NFL Savings Challenge because I did forget to film that in one of my other videos. So I'm going to insert that here. Okay, you guys, I'm just going to have to insert this in But I forgot to do our Make Your Picks challenge with Kimmy's Budgets, Beijing Girl Budgets on YouTube. So week 2, I don't know if you can see this, but we did pretty good. We got 10 right and 6 wrong. So that is a total of $22. So I have it up here. We're going to move it to our game bucks. So after week 2, we have saved 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $45 so far at week 2. So we're going to make our picks for week 3. And like I said, I don't really follow the NFL at all. I don't at all. Not even like, not really. So this is just complete guessing game for me. I don't have any strategy. Okay, so we have the Dolphin and the Bills. I think we'll go with the Bills. The Bengals and the Vikings. Go with the Bengals. The Texans and Jaguars. I'll go with Texans. I don't know. It's just going feels. I don't even look and see who won. Colts or Titans. We'll go with Colts. Raiders or Commanders. I'll go with Commanders. Hey, Rams or Eagles. We'll go with the Eagles. Falcons and Panthers. We'll go with the Falcons. And then we're going to go with the Patriots against the Steelers, because who knows? The Packers and the Browns. We'll go with the Packers. The Jets and the Bucks. My mom's a diehard Bucks fan, so I'm always going to go for the Bucks. Broncos and Chargers. I got a lot of teams on this side. We'll go with the Saints over the Seahawks. Cowboys over the Bears. We'll go with the 49ers over the Cardinals. Chiefs over the Giants. And Ravens over the Lions. So we will go ahead and do those picks for week 3. And we'll see how we did next week. All right, and that completes today's video, and I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.